Alligators possess one of the most powerful bites in the animal kingdom, with a staggering bite force of up to 2,980 pounds per square inch. That's like having the weight of a small car crushing down on you. But here's the twist. Their jaw muscles for opening their mouths are surprisingly weak. This means once they clamp down, it's nearly impossible to pry them open. Nature's design is fascinating. These ancient reptiles are built for power, but they also remind us that strength can come with its own limitations.